my God, nakaka-nervous.
Tingnan ang effect mo.
I believe I can fly, gano'n?
I believe I can fly.
Gulo-gulo natin. Ay, lalaki naman pala ng carabiner. Oo nga.
So nakaupo ka lang yan.
Tingnan ko muna kung anong ano yun.
Hindi nga siya, parang mas okay nga siya kasi may ganito eh.
Oo.
Yung
Guys,
ibang zipline na
don't forget,
napuntahan ko.
once you go down, stop at main road and I'll come down by car.
Okay.
Oh, main road. Hindi nakapa ako ng main road.
Yes.
Yes.
Bring your shoes.
Ah, nakaupo pala ate.
Ha?
Nakaupo din pala.
Nakaupo ka. Bye!
When there is fight, don't say bye.
Ay, tatry ako.
About your I found out already. Once you go into national one market.
Nakaupo naman pala tita Wow.
No!
So it's like
Oh my God. Try mo na.